Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to build macros. In this context, a macro will be considered as a combination of items that can be built together using a single code. Macros can be used to group together multiple items needed for one specific treatment. In today's example, we've set up a macro for a basic wound dressing. By using this macro during billing, all the necessary consumables for wound dressing can be added to the invoice in one step. This ensures nothing is left out and billing is both fast and accurate. However, please note that before macros can be used, they will need to be set up first. For an extensive explanation thereof, please refer to the macro settings user manual linked in this video's description. This video will start on the invoice screen where the macro will be built. To open the invoice screen, please refer to the invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. Type the code of the desired macro in the field of the code column. For example, type WD1 for the wound dressing macro. Now, before we select the macro from the drop-down list, please note that there are two ways the macro can be filled in the invoice, either as a fixed combination macro or a choose combination macro. If the macro was set up as a fixed combination, all the items that were set up in the macro will automatically be added to the invoice. Here, you can also adjust the quantity, which will automatically adjust the amount. Alternatively, if the combination has been set up as a choose combination, an attention pop-up will appear to ask the user to select the lines to add. In this field, edit the quantity as needed. Tick the add checkboxes of all the items that you would like to add or remove from the invoice. Once done, click OK to add the items to your invoice. The selected items will be added to the invoice. You can continue to edit or add items on the invoice screen. To post the invoice, please refer back to the invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description.